Subtitle: The Mystery of Aging, explained in 3 minutes. Hey everyone! Ever wondered why we age? Well, buckle up, because in the next 3 minutes I'm going to break it down for you. Aging is something we all experience, but what's really happening inside our bodies? First off, aging is a complex process influenced by genetics, lifestyle, and environmental factors. At the heart of it, though, are our cells. Our bodies are made up of trillions of cells, and these cells are constantly dividing and replicating. However, every time a cell divides, a tiny bit of its DNA, specifically the telomeres, gets shorter. Telomeres are like protective caps at the ends of our chromosomes that prevent damage. Think of them like the plastic tips on shoelaces. Over time, as the telomeres get shorter and shorter, the cells lose their ability to function properly, leading to aging and eventually cell death. But that's not all. As we age, our cells also accumulate damage from factors like UV radiation, pollution, and even byproducts of our own metabolism. This damage can lead to mutations and malfunctioning proteins, further contributing to the aging process. Another important player in aging is our mitochondria. Mitochondria are the powerhouses of the cell, responsible for producing energy. As we age, our mitochondria become less efficient and can even start producing harmful molecules called reactive oxygen species, which damage our cells. So, what can we do about it? While we can't stop aging entirely, certain lifestyle choices can help slow down the process. Eating a healthy diet, exercising regularly, getting enough sleep, and avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol can all contribute to healthier aging. In the future, scientists are exploring fascinating possibilities like gene therapy, regenerative medicine, and even drugs that might slow down or reverse aspects of aging. It's an exciting field of research that could change the way we think about growing old. So there you have it. Aging is a natural, complex process influenced by our cells, environment, and lifestyle. Understanding it better can help us make choices that promote a longer, healthier life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content. See you next time.